Quick question. When someone asks you, "How are you?" do you know exactly what to say in English? Or do you always say, "I'm fine"? Maybe you learned that phrase many years ago. Maybe it feels safe and easy. But here is the truth. Native speakers have many more natural ways to answer this simple question. And today, Emma and I are going to help you sound more natural, more confident, and more like a real English speaker. But before we get there, there is one thing you need to understand first. Saying "I'm fine" is not wrong. It is correct English. But if you always use the same answer, your conversations can sound repetitive. Stay with us, because today you will learn 8 natural phrases that native speakers use every single day.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Talk Hub, where learning English is easy, natural, and fun. I am Emma.
And I am David. Emma, should we tell our listeners what they are going to walk away with today?
Absolutely. By the end of this episode, you will know better answers to "how are you?", understand when to use them, and speak with more confidence in everyday conversations.
Simple, clear, and real English. No difficult grammar, no pressure.
If this podcast is helping your English journey, please subscribe to English Talk Hub and share this episode with a friend who is learning English too.
All right, Emma, I think our listeners are ready.
I think so too, David.
Let us begin with the first natural expression. Okay, let us start with the basics, but the natural way. Because basic does not mean boring. Real English speakers use simple words, but they use them correctly. Phrase 1, I'm doing great.
David, I saw you this morning with a big smile. How are you today?
I'm doing great. I had a good night of sleep, and I feel full of energy.
Oh, I'm doing great. David, let us stop there for our listeners.
I'm doing great. Say it with us. I'm doing great. I'm doing great means you feel very good and happy. It is a very common phrase in everyday English.
For example, I'm doing great because I finally finished my work. Say that with us. I'm doing great because I finally finished my work.
Or you can say, I'm doing great. Everything is going well.
David, not every day is amazing. Sometimes life is just normal.
Exactly. On those days, I usually say pretty good.
Oh, pretty good. David, let us stop there for our listeners.
Pretty good. Say it with us.
Pretty good.
Pretty good means you feel good, but not perfect. Native speakers use this phrase all the time.
For example, my day is pretty good. I finished my tasks and now I can relax. Say that with us. My day is pretty good. I finished my tasks and now I can relax.
Or you can say, I'm pretty good today. How about you? And here is an important detail. When we talk about our usual feelings or daily routine, we often use the simple present tense. For example, I usually feel happy in the morning. But when we talk about how we feel right now, we often use the present continuous tense. For example, I'm doing great today.
Such an important difference. It changes the meaning completely. David, what if your day is normal and nothing bad is happening?
Then I can say, can't complain.
Oh, can't complain. David, let us stop there for our listeners.
Can't complain. Say it with us. Can't complain. Can't complain means everything is okay. It is a relaxed and friendly expression.
For example, work is busy, but I can't complain because I enjoy my job. Say that with us. Work is busy, but I can't complain because I enjoy my job.
Or you can say, life has challenges, but I can't complain.
David, what about a day when you are not feeling your best?
In that case, I may say, I've been better.
Oh, I've been better. David, let us stop there for our listeners.
I've been better. Say it with us. I've been better. I've been better means you are having a difficult day, but you do not want to complain too much.
For example, I've been better. I did not sleep well last night. Say that with us.
I've been better. I did not sleep well last night.
Or you can say, I've been better, but tomorrow will be a new day.
Now, let us ask our amazing listeners, which phrase describes your day today? Tell us in the comments below. Start your sentence with, today I'm feeling... We read every single comment.
Great job so far. But the next 4 phrases are even more natural, and they are used by native speakers in real conversations every single day. One of them is a phrase that will make you sound instantly more like a native speaker. Do not go anywhere. Emma, you look relaxed today. How are you doing?
Not too bad. I had a busy morning, but everything is going smoothly.
Oh, not too bad. Emma, let us stop there for our listeners.
Not too bad. Say it with us.
Not too bad. Not too bad means things are okay or fairly good. It is a very common and casual phrase in English.
For example, I'm not too bad today. I have a lot to do, but I feel good. Say that with us. I'm not too bad today. I have a lot to do, but I feel good.
Or you can say, not too bad. It could be worse. Sometimes life gets stressful. We have many things to finish and many problems to solve.
Yes, and in those moments, many native speakers say, I'm hanging in there.
Oh, I'm hanging in there. Emma, let us stop there for our listeners. I'm hanging in there. Say it with us. I'm hanging in there. This phrase means you are having a difficult time, but you are staying strong and continuing.
For example, this week has been stressful, but I'm hanging in there. Say that with us. This week has been stressful, but I'm hanging in there.
Or you can say, I have a lot of work, but I'm hanging in there.
Can I tell you something a little embarrassing?
Always.
Last month, I had a very busy week. Every morning, I answered everyone with, I'm fine, even when I was tired and stressed. One of my friends asked me, Emma, are you really fine? That was the moment I realized I needed more natural ways to express my feelings.
Emma, that is so common. Many English learners use only one phrase because they are afraid of making mistakes. But real communication is about expressing your true feelings. Emma, after that stressful week, how did you feel a few days later?
I was doing okay. I was still a little tired, but I felt much better.
Oh, I'm doing okay. Emma, let us stop there for our listeners. I'm doing okay. Say it with us. I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay means you are fine, but you may still have some small problems.
For example, I'm doing okay today. I just need a little more rest. Say that with us. I'm doing okay today. I just need a little more rest.
Or you can say, I'm doing okay. Thank you for asking.
David, what about a day when everything is absolutely perfect?
Then I can say, couldn't be better.
Oh, couldn't be better. David, let us stop there for our listeners.
Couldn't be better. Say it with us. Couldn't be better. This phrase means everything is excellent. You feel amazing and nothing could make your day better.
For example, I'm with my family, the weather is beautiful, and I couldn't be better. Say that with us. I'm with my family, the weather is beautiful, and I couldn't be better.
Or you can say, my vacation is going perfectly. I couldn't be better. By the way, if you are finding this lesson useful right now, hit the subscribe button and join the English Talk Hub family. We upload new English lessons every week to help you speak naturally and confidently. Okay, let us hear all of today's phrases in one real conversation. Emma, you start.
Hey, David. Long time no see. How have you been?
Pretty good. Work has been busy, but I can't complain.
That's great.
Last week, you looked very tired.
Yes, I've been better, but I'm doing okay now.
I'm happy to hear that. I'm not too bad myself. I just need a little break.
I understand. Sometimes we are busy, but we just keep hanging in there.
Exactly. But today, I'm doing great because I finished my big project.
Congratulations! Sounds like you couldn't be better today. Did you hear all 8 phrases? Let us count them together. I'm doing great. Pretty good. Can't complain. I've been better. Not too bad. I'm hanging in there. I'm doing okay. Couldn't be better.
Now it is your turn. Pause this video and say one of these phrases out loud. Then write a sentence in the comments using your favorite expression. We love reading your practice sentences.
One last thing before we finish. The final review will help you remember every phrase and use them naturally in your own conversations. Stay with us. The best practice is coming next.
Okay, quick review of everything we learned today. These are your 8 key phrases for answering "How are you?" like a native English speaker. Number 1, I'm doing great means feeling very happy. Example, I'm doing great because I had a wonderful day. Number 2, pretty good means good but not perfect. Example, I'm pretty good today. How about you? Number 3, can't complain means everything is okay. Example, work is busy, but I can't complain. Number 4, I've been better means not feeling your best. Example, I've been better because I didn't sleep well. Number 5, not too bad means feeling okay. Example, not too bad. It has been a calm day. Number 6, I'm hanging in there means staying strong during a difficult time. This week is hard, but I'm hanging in there. Number 7, I'm doing okay means fine with some small problems. I'm doing okay. I just need some rest. Number 8, couldn't be better means feeling amazing. Example, I'm on vacation and I couldn't be better.
Now, Emma, let us put everything together. Imagine a friend asks you, "How are you?" Give us a natural answer using some of today's phrases.
Sure, David. Well, last week I've been better because I was very busy at work. But now I'm doing okay and things are getting easier. Today I'm actually doing great because I finished my big project. Life is pretty good right now, and honestly, I can't complain.
Beautiful. That is exactly how native speakers talk about their feelings. Simple, clear, and natural. And now, our question for today.
We love reading your answers. This English Talk Hub community grows because of your amazing comments.
Today's question is, how are you feeling today? Write your answer in the comments using one of today's 8 phrases.
Well, everyone, that brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you so much for learning English with us.
If this lesson helped you speak more naturally, please like this video, subscribe to English Talk Hub, and share it with a friend who is also learning English. It truly means the world to us.
Remember, you do not need difficult words to sound like a native speaker. You only need the right phrases and daily practice.
Keep speaking, keep improving, and never be afraid to make mistakes.
We will see you in the next English Talk Hub episode.
Bye, everyone. Have an amazing day.